Welcome to Zoomer's RV of Wabash, Indiana. Today we are looking at the used 2016 Forest River RV Georgetown XL369DS. This motorhome MSRPs at $185,637, but is available at the Zoomer's low price of $82,900. It has a Triton V10 engine, Ford chassis, 25,634 miles, a 5,500 Onan generator with 176 hours, and features an outdoor TV. Now we'll look inside. Here's what it looks like when you walk in. Here's your passenger and driver seats. And you have a rear view camera. And then a bunk above. Here's your sink. The countertop extend, and your oven and burners. Your microwave above. And your large refrigerator. An entertainment center with fireplace. We have cabinetry on the other side. It goes all the way across above. Here's your theater seats. And then your dinette seats. Now we'll go to the first bathroom. Here's your sink, your toilet, and now the bedroom. And your wardrobes and TV. And this wardrobe has a washer dryer prep. And then the last bathroom has 2 sinks and 2 mirrors. Here's your shower with a skylight. And more cabinetry. If you are interested in this unit, contact us or inquire online at zoomersrv.com.